Ever wonder what tiny miracles power your phone or computer? They're called semiconductors, and today we'll unlock their secrets.
Let's start with the basics. Conductors like metal allow electricity to flow freely, while insulators like rubber block it completely. Semiconductors are like the middle ground. They can conduct electricity under certain conditions, making them incredibly versatile. By adding tiny amounts of other elements, we can dope a semiconductor and change its ability to conduct. This is like adding spices to a recipe to change the flavor.
Most semiconductors are made from silicon, the second most abundant element on Earth. Its atomic structure allows it to form bonds with other atoms, creating a foundation for manipulation. Doping magic. Adding elements like boron creates holes for electrons to flow, making it a p-type semiconductor. Adding elements like phosphorus gives us extra electrons, creating an n-type semiconductor. P-type and n-type semiconductors combined create a special junction. This allows electricity to flow in one direction only, forming the basis of a diode, a vital component in many electronic circuits.
The invention of the transistor in the 1950s was a game changer. These tiny devices can act like switches, amplifying signals, and are the building blocks of integrated circuits or microchips. Transistors led to the development of ICs, which pack millions of transistors onto a single chip. This miniaturization revolutionized electronics, making devices smaller, faster, and more powerful. From powering your phone to lighting your home, semiconductors are everywhere. Different types of semiconductors have unique properties, making them useful in LEDs, solar cells, and a vast array of technologies.
The world of semiconductors is constantly evolving. Scientists are working on new materials like graphene and exploring ways to make even smaller and more efficient devices. Semiconductors will play a vital role in shaping the future of technology, from artificial intelligence to sustainable energy solutions.
Semiconductors are tiny but mighty. They unlock a world of possibilities and are an essential part of our technological world. Stay curious and explore science with Learn with Miral.